I guess I'd probably show you probably something you've heard about, maybe seen a little bit on the internet. Probably my favorite bike of all time that I've built. This is Gamazilla, and she's a beast. Basically, fully modified Quadzilla chassis and a RG500 Gamma motor in it built. Custom, you know, everything kind of like on a factory concept bike type build. You can see she's got it all, everything light, hill shooters, wave rotors, suspension, razorbacks. This probably took my longest bike to build, but definitely worth it. This bike has a sound and rides like no other. I apologize, she's filthy dirty. She has the desert sand on her from a couple years ago still. She's just been covered up and put away. You know, every few months she gets fired up. But this is her right here, man. And, yup, she's alive, she's well. She knows she needs a little TLC, a little cleaning, but, you know, nothing in an hour with a little bit of work wouldn't do. And, you know, more than anything, the best thing to love about her is how she sounds. And let me tell you what, she goes faster than she sounds. This is really the only bike I've ever been on that kind of is a little scary. This thing's a little scary at 100 plus in the sand. So give me a minute here and I'm going to fire up for you.